Hi everybody, all my followers, be welcome to another video. Right, first of all, I do apologize if I look a little bit, I just woke up literally, and I still have one night shift to do, and so yeah, I'm a little bit tired, but I had to do this today because otherwise it would no longer be an unboxing video, for reasons that doesn't really matter, but today was the only day I had. So what this is about, yes, there is a new tool that's going to make that's going to feature the channel. So if you follow my channel, or you are new to the channel, be assured that indeed is going to be a new tool that's going to come up on some videos. Still is not going to be until a few months. As you know, I have some delay on my videos. This video today is not going to have much delay. Today is the 13th of October 2020. So I'm planning to post this video within the next few days. But with no further ado, guys, the main reason why I decided to make this video is not so much to make a big reveal. I'll take you through the bits that comes on the box. I'll take you through very roughly what they are, the ones I know. But the main reason why I made this video is to highlight a couple points that I know you guys will be interested on, or I think you guys will be interested. So the tool is, yes, it is an Autel. And yes, it is a IM608 Pro. I stress the Pro because that's one of the points we're going to focus on. But yes, I got this tool, saved for a long time. It was a tool that was under my radar for a long time. For you guys that don't know, this tool used to be called, I hope I'm going to pronounce these okay, used to be called Auro or Oro, and it was the Oro 600, IM600, and I think later they call it Oro 608. Oro used to be a sister company of Autel, and I think Autel made probably the wise decision to actually call it Autel. Autel is a much more known brand. The tool is still the same as the Auro. You can still find some Auros out there for sale. They are pretty much the same, or the same. They just say Autel, Auro, rather than Autel. But yes, I came across this tool when it was to be Auro or Auro, whatever you pronounce it. So it was probably 2 or 3 years ago when I came across this tool the first time, and I got really impressed. And I started to save for one. So, and well, last Sunday was the day I made that decision and I bought the tool. Now, before you guys ask where did I buy the tool? Right, you can get this tool for about, I'm not going to tell you price because they are one click away from you guys. 10 seconds Google search, you'll find this tool, you find the price, etc, etc. Just let me tell you that I paid about very close to £1,000 over the price that the tool is selling on some websites like eBay, Cardiac, and other sellers online. I paid nearly £1,000 more, and the tool doesn't come with the APB 1112 nor come with the JBox 2. I'm gonna have to buy that separately, but yeah, I paid nearly that. The main reason why I paid a little bit more, and I was happy to pay a little bit more, number one, the place where I got it from, they offer 2 years warranty. Now, I'm not going to tell you where I bought it from. There's no advertising. I paid the full price for this tool, so there's no advertising here or publicity, but it was a UK based company. Again, 10 seconds Google search, you'll find the companies that are UK based selling this tool. So yes, this company, they offered 2 years warranty on the tool, which was fantastic, and second, they were selling the Pro version. Now, I will take you through what the differences are between the Pro and the normal, but I sent about probably over 10 messages to some of these online sellers, because the way they advertise this tool is is like professional immobilizer tool or professional programming tool, etc., etc. But when you actually ask the specifics of the Pro, they either dodge the question or they just say, oh, no, this is a professional programming tool, but this particular module is not the Pro version, which I'll take you through what module we are talking about. And that, guys, was probably the main two reasons why I decided to go local and from a more, I'm not going to say reliable source, but from a place where I could actually get what I wanted to pay for, if that makes sense. So, guys, with no further ado, enough talking, let's kind of take you through the tool. So this was the main point I wanted to get through, is the Pro version. There's two versions out there. The Pro version was the version I was looking for. So yeah, that's about it. We're gonna open the box. I'm not gonna take too long, guys. Just quick show you what comes with it and touching a couple points. But yeah, that's it, guys. Let's go through them. Okay, and the first thing I would say is a much smaller box than the Maxi Cs. Much smaller, definitely much smaller box. Let's go and open the box, see what we have here. Guys, this is the first time I'm opening this box, believe me or not. Okay. Right. The very first thing I don't like, oh damn it, I hate when I don't like things, is the fact that there's no room here for the VCI cable, for the OBD cable. So it looks like I'm gonna have to plug in and out from the J2534 every single time I need to use it. Don't like this bit very much, but well, okay. So what we have here, guys, very quickly. So you have the tablets. Okay. You have the paperwork behind it, etc. And you have the tablet here, much thinner than the Maxi Cs. Yeah, looks okay. Then you have, this is very similar to the Maxi Cs. Actually, it's just 2534. I'm gonna guess the internals are gonna be, if not very similar, pretty much the same as the Maxi Cs. The one thing I would say is it feels smaller. Actually, it is smaller. It's more compact. But this is not the main reason why I bought this tool, guys. And let me put this in a different position. Okay, so accessories, there it is. Right. So when I was talking earlier about the Pro, so this is what they call the XP400. And you see this little Pro after the 400? So that was the main reason I wanted this one. Let me take you very quickly through. I'm not going to go too much into details, but the initial XP400. So this XP400, guys, is what is going to read your keys, is going to program your chips. When you look at this and you look at XProc, for example, can you see these L-shaped pins? So this is exactly the same. So when you put it like this, you see these two rows of pins here? VPP, blah, 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 blah. So that's the same as going to be there, roughly. And that's the same. So this is a program including the deep socket. So it's to program EPROMs and all that stuff. So, but initially when this tool came out, came with the XP400. Now the XP400 had some compatibility issues with some processors. Reading some processors had some compatibility issues, and two, was a little bit prone to fail. So in the meantime, Autel launched the Pro, where the compatibility issues have been resolved and the tool has been improved, and as far as I'm aware, is more reliable. It doesn't fail like the other one used to, and the Pro was the one I wanted. So if you are buying this tool, my advice is go for the Pro. And this was the questions. This was the question some of the sellers would dodge, or they wouldn't respond when I would ask, Okay, it's a professional tool. I want to know about the XP400. Is that the Pro version or the normal version? And yes, I never got, someone never got a clear answer. Some of them, they would say no, it's a professional programming tool, but the XP is the normal XP400, and I was now looking after that. So this is the programming module, and then guys, all you have here is USB cables, data cable for the data cable for the VCI. Sorry about that, guys. Mrs. can't live without me for more than 10 minutes. Here we have a socket. Oh yeah, there is a deep socket to put. I'll show you, to put in here, which is the same as this. It's one of these, okay? It's one of these adapters, okay? Then on this side, it's a little bit crowded, this box. And then guys, from here, what we have here, this is very similar to XProg, or the same concept, let's say. So you have these cables, they plug in here at the front, okay? And they are to connect directly to the ECU pins to read on the bench. Then you have these adapters here, which they plug on these two things. Again, very similar to XProg. Let me see what I have one to show you. Sorry guys, but to get to that drawer is a nightmare. So here is, for example, an example for XProg. So all you do, you put your chip in there, and then you press this in there, bang on, and then you read. So this is the same principle. Obviously, actually the adapter, the adapters are the same. Look at that. I could just press this down here now, but obviously pinouts might be different, so we're not going to really rely on, or we're never going to use anything that doesn't came with the tool. But just to demonstrate, so these adapters are the same stuff. So if you want to take the MCUs from the board, you can just solder them in here, and then just push this in and read the chips. Then you have more cables, so power supply, then more cables to obviously connect to different modules, etc. Then you have a cigarette lighter charger by the looks of it. You have another adapter here, and then you have some ribbon cables that I'm going to guess is going to be, again, to read different modules. As far as I'm aware, the tool will tell you how the connections are made, etc, etc. And this is all wrong, and it's not going to fit now. Right, okay, anyway, guys, this is what it is. I think I've touched the main points I wanted. I think a quick last thing, we're going to power up the tool, just get to the main menu and see how it looks. Right, quickly, a couple things to highlight on the tool. The battery is replaceable. Okay, so you open this and the battery is replaceable. I'm not going to say it's not replaceable, for example, on the Maxis, but you need to open the tool. This has a cover at the back to replace the battery, which is very, very nice. So, power button. I don't know how long I need to press this for. There we go. It's a little bit off glare, I do apologize for that. And there he is. Okay, so that's it. Just need to get registered, etc, etc, and that's it, guys. So just stay tuned. If you guys want, I can possibly do a video just going through the menus. Maybe if you guys are interested, let me know. I can do that with no delay, really. And I'm going to use this tool tomorrow, which was one of the reasons why I decided to go for the tool. So fingers crossed it's going to do the job. But yeah, that's it, guys. This was the tool. I don't know, I'm really excited to start using it. And as I said, just stay tuned. It's going to be videos coming out for it. I might do some other type of videos if you guys want. But yeah, that's it, guys. So with no further ado, thank you for watching. Hope there's some information on this video you guys can find useful. If you do have any questions, any comments, put them below. Any comments, any questions that I might missed, if I do know the answer, I will definitely reply as I always do. And like always, thank you for watching.